Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's corner, our corner. So guys, trust you all are doing great. Today, as you can see from your screen, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful peppered kpomo sauce. And if you are a lover of kpomo, just like I am a lover of kpomo, gather around here, let's prepare this together. So before we dive into it, let me show you the ingredients that we need in preparing it. Okay guys, introducing what we'll be using to prepare a spicy peppered kpomo. I have my scotch bonnet pepper here, as you can see guys. I have my scotch bonnet pepper here. I have salt for taste. Let me introduce the kpomo self. Let me bring it close to you guys to see. Here's a kpomo, also known as cow skin. And as you can see, it's beautiful. I've already washed it with iron sponge to ensure that the sand inside is off. So I've washed it in and out with my iron sponge. And here I have seasoning. I have tasty cube seasoning here. This is crayfish flavor. I also have Mama Doll beef seasoning. This is beef flavor. I have 2 large onions, as you can see, and the bell pepper. I have Gino curry powder. I have Gino thyme. I have tiger nutmeg. I have chili pepper. I have fresh ginger and fresh garlic that I'll be blending alongside our scotch bonnet pepper and our chili pepper. Then I have vegetable oil here, active vegetable oil. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare our spicy peppered kpomo. So guys, let's dive into the video proper. Okay guys, our nutmeg powder is going in. Then our thyme. Then curry powder. Salt for taste. Beef seasoning. This is Mama Doll, like I said earlier, and it's beef flavor. So I'll be adding two cubes. Then a little bit of onion. I'm not adding too many onion, just small onion. Yes. And then garlic. Just small ginger, guys. Small. So that's it for this one for now. So I'm gonna be adding a little water to it, and I like to boil. But guys, I would like to add pepper. So I'll get my pepper prepared, add it to it, then boil it. So we will go ahead now to start preparing. So our vegetable oil is already heating up. Then we're going to be adding a blended pepper alongside the onion, ginger, and garlic. So this is how I continue to stir it. Add seasoning, and then add other spices Yeah, first off, I'll be adding my seasoning, then add some salt. Guys, I'll be adding a pinch of salt. We already have salt in our sauce, so a pinch of salt. Then add thyme, curry powder, and then guys, nutmeg, a bit of it. Then keep turning it, keep stirring, just to allow these spices to mix up. And then the liquid, or should I say the water from the pepper, to get dried a bit. Then we can then add kpomo. Yes, so as it is right now, it's ready for us to, it's time, it's okay now. So we can now add kpomo, also known as cow skin. Okay guys, like I said, that kpomo is coming in now. Yeah, the sauce is ready for kpomo, so it's time to add the kpomo and then start turning it, so the sauce and the sweetness, the deliciousness of the spice of pepper will sink into kpomo. I hope I got that right. So the spices in the pepper will sink into kpomo. Yeah, so just allow this to stay to cook for some time before I can then turn off the heat. And there, voila, our peppered kpomo is ready to be devoured and ready to be made justice to. Like seriously guys, if you are the type that does this, you know what I'm talking about. And I believe that you're already like salivating for this, because I was preparing this and I was already salivating. Like, this is something that we all love. Kpomo does not really contain much benefit to our body, but we just love it. We just love it. So preparing it like this makes it very special. When I say special, if you have a very chilled drink to go with this, guys, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I don't have to talk too much. So guys, if it has been a while since you did this, it's high time you go and do yours again. Yes, I think I'm reminding you of this special kpomo sauce. Seriously guys, it's high time you make this again. Enjoy it with your family. They will thank you, as in when they are saying thank you, it will be coming from their heart, you know. If you understand what I'm saying, yeah, they will be thanking you and it will be coming from their heart, because this is a very nice sauce, as a nice presentation, nice thing to unwind and relax, especially when you have the free time to relax and enjoy yourself. This is a very nice thing that you need to enjoy yourself. So our onion is going in. If you have to add onion this time, you know that your sauce is ready, because you don't need the heat anymore in the kpomo. Just to add the flavor of the onion, the fresh flavor of the onion. It's not as if we don't have the onion in our pepper, but this one we just add that flavor and make it inviting. So yes guys, our kpomo, our pepper kpomo is ready. It is ready. It is ready. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is our green pepper. Like I said, it's already getting ripe, so it's have to go in. And you know, this pepper can really it really has this nice aroma that you love to, as in whenever you perceive, you just want to eat the food that the aroma is coming from. Yes guys, our peppered kpomo sauce is ready.
So it's time for us to do justice to it. So guys, join me as I present to you those beautiful peppered Kpomo sauce. And voila! Here we are. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, here it is. Here is our peppered Kpomo sauce. Isn't it looking beautiful? Isn't it looking inviting? Isn't it looking mouth-watering? I am not saying this so to do somebody long throat though. I'm just saying it so you go and try it out. Yeah, go and wine with this, guys. It's holiday season, so this is one of the things you can use to have that beautiful relaxation. Take it down with a very chilled drink. Yes guys, if you have watched it this time, I say big thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy watching. And if you are new to this channel, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Till I upload a new video. Catch you soon. Chinelo signing out. Bye bye.